Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly trading review to the SabioTrade Wave Rider strategy. This week we closed 8 trades, 4 of them were closed with a profit and 4 were closed with loss. Currently we have 1 position on GBP USD and also we have 1 position on Aussie USD. Let's check all the trades in the details, and we start as usual from Aussie USD. We are on an hourly time frame where each vertical line separates 1 trading day, and with a gray rectangle I highlighted the trading area of the current week. As you can see, we are in a global consolidation that actually started months ago, and now we are moving in this corridor. This week we tried to reach the lower border but haven't succeeded with this goal, but still the general direction for the last week and a half is a downward movement. So there is a big probability that we're going to retest this level, which will give us an opportunity to average our current trades with additional buy trades and close all the trades with a profit on the next week. Let's switch to the 15-minute time frame and check all the trades. We had 2 trades from the previous week, and on Monday we averaged this bunch of trades with the 3rd trade after we updated the local low of the previous week. Then on Tuesday, after we formed another local low and updated it, we opened another trade. Then we did the same thing on Tuesday evening, and then on Wednesday we averaged this trade for the 6th time. And afterwards, on the market correction, we closed all the trades with a profit of $24. And after closing these trades, we sold and closed this trade with a profit on Thursday. And also opened 1 buy trade on Thursday, and we're currently in this trade. We're waiting for the market to break the local low to average this trade with the next buy trade, or we're going to close it with a profit when it rises around 100 to 100 pips more. The profit of this week amounted to $26, and on the daily time frame you can see that despite this consolidation we are globally in an uptrend. So it means that the general movement and the buy trades that we are holding, they are following the general trades. So even if we're going to see the retest of this level or some kind of an attempt to break this level, we still have the global uptrend, which sooner or later will help us to close all the trades with a profit. The next currency pair is GBP USD, and here you can see we had this V-shaped turnover. I cannot say for sure that this is the end of the downward movement. Of course, we closed higher than we opened on Monday, and as you can see, the market was falling for 2 days and was growing for 3 days, which means that the balance between buyers and sellers changes. And if we'll switch to the 15-minute time frame, we'll see that we started this week in a consolidation. We spent Monday in the trading range of Friday, and later on Tuesday we broke this local support level, and it was a trigger to enter a buy trade. And later on Tuesday we averaged it with another buy trade. On Wednesday the market was in a consolidation but started its reversal movement, which allowed us to close our trades on Thursday night with a profit. Then on Thursday we sold after market clearly formed the daily high and then broke it, and currently we are in this trade and waiting for the market to update the current local highs to average this trade with another sell trade, and we're going to wait for the correction. Locally, you can see that we are in a downward movement. We still have this downtrend from October, or if we zoom it out even more or change the time frame to, let's say, an hourly time frame, we'll see that there is a strong downtrend from 17th of September when Fed announced its rates cut. Actually, it was a turning point for the GBP and for other currencies, and since then we're gradually falling. So if we speak about the general movement, this is a downtrend. So even if this point will turn into a deeper correction, we still have the capacity to average all our trades and wait for the market to retest the current trend line, and then we're going to close all our trades with a profit. The profit of this week amounted to $9, and on the daily time frame you can see that after market broke the previous local lows, it fell down to the consolidation zone of March, and actually it played as a support level here. But if we speak about a global trend, we had an uptrend and now it's shifted to the downtrend. So on GBP USD we are also following a daily trend. I hope that all of you managed to make some profit with us this week. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video review.